I'm a failure.
I'm searching for something that I can reach.
I'm crying over stupid stuff. Why?
I don't like them innocent, I don't want no face fresh. Want them wearing leather bag and let me get your taste test. I like the sad eyes, bad guys, mouth full of white lies. Kiss me in the corridor, we're quick to tell me goodbye. You say that you're no good for me, 'cause I'm always tugging at your sleeve. And I swear I hate you when you leave, but I like it anyway. My ghost, where'd you go? I can't find you in the body sleeping next to me. My ghost, where'd you go? What happened to the soul that you used to be?